What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we are going to change the air filter in the air box of my car. And if you have a V6 or a V8, I believe the RTs, I think the Scats actually have the same air box stock, then this video will show you how to do that. But before we get started with that, I want to say thank you to everyone who's ever subscribed to the channel, made any comments below, liked the video, even if you didn't like the video, and even shared the video. I thank y'all. And I was sitting here thinking, what could I call y'all? Like, what could I refer to y'all to? And it just hit me. So starting today, y'all are known as the official family. So thanks for being official with me, rocking with your boy. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get this air filter changed. And we're going to talk more about it once I get underneath the hood. All right, y'all. It is hot. But anyway, just make sure you have your ratchet set out and make sure you have your filter. The filter that I went with today is the Fram Extra Guard. That's the number that you need if you want to go with this one, the CA11257. Now, typically what you can do to remove this, like you'll have, man, the sun is tripping. You have a screw right here, screw right here, screw right here, and then you can just unhook this hose to open this up so it can, you can go ahead and change it. But I'm actually going to unbolt this because I want to wash the box out as well before I put the filter in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. Man, this thing is hot. I'm going to open this up and then I'll turn the video back, or I'll turn the camera back on. One thing I want to mention real quick, to get this bolt off right here, you'll need a 5/16. Right here, you need 5/16. All right, as you can see, I got the top part of the air box off. I took that hose off, and then there's the filter right there. So we can go ahead and take that out right now. And look at that. That thing's just, ugh. That thing is dirty. But look at the box itself. Like, the box is dirty too. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this box, and we're gonna wash it out. Kind of look. Now, a screw fell down here, like right here. I don't know if you can see it because of the shadow, but because I'm gonna remove the box, easy peasy. All right, as y'all can see, I got Mini Me out here. Say what's up, Mini Me.
What's up? And
he's gonna wash out the air box for me. Make sure you get all of that stuff that's in there that you can see, like leaves, dirt, get all that. But folks, this is what I was talking about. You might want to wash this out before you put in a new filter. Yeah, keep going. All right, so it's washed now, so we're just gonna let this dry for a little bit and then we'll be right back. All right, folks, so we got my son back out here. What he's doing now is he's trying to fit the bottom part of the air box to align with the bottom part, the rectangular part that's right there in the middle, as you can see, or maybe you can't see. Here, just. All right, so now we'll get the filter. Nothing in the box but the filter itself. And you want to make sure that this is pointing down because this will help catch the debris that might try to seep through the engine. So just drop it in there like this. Make sure the bottom part of the box is nice and snug. And that's it. All you have to do then is just put this back on top, put this hose on there, and then you're good to go. So I'm going to do that right fast and I'll be right back. All right, folks, so we're back. We got the box on, and my son's gonna go ahead and start the car up. And the point of this is we want to rev the engine, and if we hear any high-pitched noise, we know that we would need to seal this down some, but that hose there is tight, these screws are tight, and this bolt is tight. Go ahead and rev it. Rev it. And it's good to go. All right, cut it. So that's it, folks. And as you can see, man, it is hot out here. Man, it is hot. But thanks for rocking with your boy, man. Like I said, this is just this video is just to show you how to change the air box in your car. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And remember, now you're a part of the official family. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.
I really need something.
Yes, you obey the laws. But don't hit the brakes so hard, man. Just ease into it. Hey, pull up a little bit. Pull up a little bit. Turn your signal on. Your right signal. Oh. Okay, turn. Make your right turn.